I warmly welcome you to this outstanding video aimed at solving problems that involve half. Half is obtained when a quantity or a number is divided into two equal parts. It means 0.5. In other words, half also means 1/2. When you multiply a number by half, what do you get? Without checking your calculator. When you divide a number by half, what do you get without checking your calculator? And this is what we call the mystery of half. And that is why this video is prepared. So join me as we journey through the mystery of half. Half is obtained when you have something of this form. You can see the denominator is times 2 of the numerator. That is 10 times 2 gives you 20. 15 times 2 gives you 30. So when you reduce these fractions, you are going to obtain a half. 2 into this one gives you 1/2. P is equal to 0.5. Likewise, this, because 2 times 10 gives 20. That means when we reduce this fraction, it's going to give us a half, 0.5. Multiplication by half. Whenever a number is multiplied by half, you're going to obtain half of that number. 20 times 0.5, remember 0.5 is half also, gives 10. 15 times 0.5, okay, it's going to give you 7.5 either. 10 times 1/2. Recall, 1/2 also means half. It's going to give you 5. 8 times 2/4. Like I said before, 2/4 we give half, because when you say 2 times 2, it's going to give you 4. So when you reduce 2/4, you obtain a half. And for that reason, 8 times 2/4 is the same thing as saying 8 times 0.5 or 8 times 1/2. And you're going to give 4. 12 times 13/26. Like I said, when you reduce 13/26, you are going to obtain a half. And 12 times half gives 6. So the convention here is whenever a number is multiplied by half, you obtain half of that number. Division by half. Whenever a number is divided by half, you obtain times 2 of that number. 20 divided by half gives 40. 10 divided by 1/2 gives 20. 100 divided by 0.5 gives 200. Conventionally, when you divide a number by half, you obtain times 2 of that number. We have solved problems. 2/4 divided by 13/26. Remember, 2/4 means half. 13/26 means half also. So this is as good as saying 0.5 divided by 0.5. Here, we are having 0.5 because 2/4 means half. Means half. And we are having 0.5 here because 13/26 means half. So the whole thing will give us 1 as answer. Okay. 3/6 divided by 8/16. Judging from what we did here, everything will still give us 1, because 3/6 means half and 8/16 means half also. So half divided by half gives 1. Number 3 and 4. In number 3 we have 0.5 all over 1/2 times 0.5. Remember that 0.5 all over 1 over 2 means half all over half. And half over half gives 1. This simply means half all over half. And half over half means 1. So it's as good as saying 1 times 0.5, which is equal to 0.5. 0.5 over 1 over 2 means 1 times 0.5. Okay? Everything here gives us 1. And we'll multiply 1 by 0.5. We'll have 0.5 because when a number is multiplied by half, like I said before, you will have half of that number. And half of 1 is 0.5. Then we'll move over to number 4. 50 over 100 times 2 over 4. Very simple. 50 over 100 means half. 2 over 4 means half. And it will give us half times half, which is 0.5. So everything here you are seeing will give us 0.5. 0.5. Most times, this kind of problem becomes a bottleneck. And that is why the mystery of half has presented everything very easy and cheap. Just have to do one simple thing. And that simple thing to do is to go to our YouTube channel at Benka Lesson. Click like and subscribe. Share this video to your loved ones. In our time, mathematics is becoming a problem. And without mathematics, science students, in fact, everybody is going nowhere. Just do your neighbors, your friends, be very good of sharing this video. Share the video, visit Benka Lesson, and subscribe.